Today is Wednesday, June 19th, also known as Juneteenth. This is a day where we commemorate the end of slavery in the United States. Of course, it took 2 years after the Emancipation Proclamation for slaves in Texas, Galveston, Texas, to find out that they had been set free. 2 years. So take a moment to reflect on sort of that dark part of our U.S. history. Let's get on with the forecast, though. It is feeling kind of sticky this morning. We got dew points that are up there into the 60s. So with temperatures in the 70s, you're definitely feeling the humidity this morning. It'll be hot and humid for this afternoon. 87, feeling more like 90 in New York this afternoon. And it will be a warm night. Temperatures just don't cool down the same way when you have that humidity in the air. We got 90s, though, in upstate New York. We got 90s in central New York. We're near 90 in Buffalo, but you head away from Lake Erie and you're in the 90s there as well. And then, of course, when you factor in the humidity, it feels even hotter. It'll feel like 102 today in Albany, about 100 in Syracuse. Going to feel like 92. We may get a little bit of a sea breeze, so at times, actually, in New York, it may feel cooler than what the thermometer tells you. So you get a little bit of cooling influence coming off the ocean. Well, I guess it won't feel cooler. It'll actually be cooler as we head through the afternoon. We got some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the middle of the country, and those, although they could pack quite a punch, are just not quite as severe or not as widespread severe weather as what we saw the last couple of days. We have heavy rain falling in Texas with some of that tropical moisture with what was potential tropical cyclone number 1. That's what they do when these cyclones are likely to become into a system, so that way they can start issuing advisories on that system before it even develops. But now at this point, that is Albert down there in the Gulf of Mexico. Not going to impact directly, at least, the United States, but there is some heavy rain out ahead of it. We got 90s in the future here tomorrow and Friday for New York City, and so with the humidity, I expect that feel-like temperature to be in the mid and upper 90s. Still going to be hot and humid through the weekend. We've got a chance for some showers and storms, and although a little bit cooler, still plenty warm next week with temperatures in the 80s. That is your Wednesday morning weather update. I hope you have a great day, and remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.